Creak open slow. Kitty whispers, is someone there? Wind drip dress when everywhere. She steps inside, lights go blink. Chalk writes words before she thinks. Books start flying in the air. No teacher here, just empty chair. Suddenly, boom! Desk moves on its own. Kitty jumps, I'm not alone. From cupboard a skeleton pops. Bones go clack, that never stops. He sits down with a spooky grin. Let's start class. Let's begin. Kitty laughs, okay, this is new. Bones go dancing, clap, clap too. Cafeteria starts to shake. Zombie comes with hungry face. He looks at food, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight. Kitty shouts, hey, slow down. But zombie spins all around. In science lab, lights turn green. Witch appears like movie scene. She stirs a potion, pop goes smoke. Even chairs start to float. Kitty says, that's kinda cool. Gulch just laughs, welcome to school. Empty hallway, cold and wide. Ghost is floating side to side. Boo, he says very slow. Kitty runs, then stops like no. Ghost just laughs, I'm your friend. Spooky school, no real end. Morning light starts breaking in. Everything feels safe again. Skeleton waves, zombie smiles. Cute! Witch says bye for many miles. Ghost disappears in air so thin. Kitty laughs, what a school I've been. Spooky school, but fun all day. Even monsters wanna play. 5 skeletons were stealing eggs at night. They grabbed the eggs and ran out of sight. But Kitty woke up with glowing eyes. Hey, stop right there! She shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone dead. The rest ran fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, hi, Dad. No more skeletons stealing eggs tonight. 4 skeletons came back again, thinking they could steal like vengeance. But Kitty was ready, quick and smart. Not in my farm, you can't take part. One slipped away with a funny fall. The others ran away from it all. Kitty called the inspector and inspector Kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more race. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine within, with happy meows and morning lights. No more stealing eggs
Almost got them all.
tonight.
Into the basket.
Kick, 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 spotch, spotch, spotch. Cutie kitty had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm went crazy showed. When a moo moo here and a night night there, here a doo, there a doodle, everywhere shout, shout. Then a rooster shouts all day long, does sing. Even cows forget their song. Cutie kitty had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm, cow went quack. With a great quack here and a great quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack, quack. Good goes crazy in the pond. Duck looks. Splash, splash, like magic run. Water flying everywhere now. Splash, 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 go. Duck is crazy, don't you know? Cutie kitty had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm, sheep went by. There's a ba-ba here and a ba-ba-ba. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere there a ba. In sheep starts running round and round. Jumping high and touching ground. Kitty laughs, stop down please. Ba-ba-ba, E-I-E-I-O. Sheep is dancing, don't you know? All animals now out of control. Fun! Farm is messy like cartoon show. Kitty clacks, calm down now. I will fix this, watch me how. Sheep goes, water back, mud. Stops pig from snack attack. Tells goat, eat Hess, please. Rooster sings low with ease note. Duck now splashes slow and fine line. Sheep now calms and feels just fine. Fix, 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 E-I-E-I-O, Nanty. Kitty saves the farm, you know. E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O. Cutie kitty runs the show. One quack, munch quack, two. Fun farm just for me and you. This is fun. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Let's go. Your cat's so happy. Best party. Dino roars but not so strong. Something feels totally wrong. Crack, crack in his teeth today. Oh no, 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 what's the way? Help, 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 what to do? Dentist Kitty is coming through. Dino opens mouth so wide. Ouch, 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 he cannot hide. No crunchy food, no happy bite wet. Even grass feels not right. He shakes his head. I feel pain. Big dinosaur eyes might tell the day. Teeth are hurting very slow. Dental beep beep beep. Titi arrives with happy lip wreck. White coat on tiny chair. Not worry, Dino, I'll take care. She checks the teeth one by one. This problem will soon be gone. Kitty, kitty, on the way. Fixing teeth today. Brush, 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 shiny clean. Now he feels strong, bone smooth. Kitty gives magic mint glow. Now your smile can really show. Brush, 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 all okay. Fixing teeth too. claps, mission done. Lick, lick, smiles like rising sun. Crunch, 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 happy now. Shows no strong, shows you how. Big bright smiles they cannot hide. Toothbrush shines, sparkle glow. Healthy teeth now ready to go. Oh no, no, turn to yay. Save the teeth today. So, so smiles loud and free. Best dentist ever, yay! Hi Mom, can I see my shack? Wow! Pop, 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 bubble blast is deep. Pillows burning very fast. Kitty laughs, what does that splat? Baby shark turns rainbow splat. Blue and red and green go wow. Oh no, no, what now? Kitty builds a bubble machine. Sparkly lights, rainbow beam. Baby shark jumps in with cheer. Best bubble party ever here. But suddenly pop, big surprise. A bubble hits his tiny eyes. Pop, 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 pop. What just hit TV shark? Can't believe it. First bubble turns him ocean blue. Baby shark says, is this true? So he looks like deep sea fish. Kitty laughs, make a wish. He tries to swim on floor instead, slipping, sliding on his bed. Second bubble pops out. Now he's red like spicy cloud. Baby shark starts spinning fast. Help me, Kitty, make it pass. He sneezes, pop, another hit. Now he's red and doing flicks. Sneak, 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 shake, shake. Green bubble falls from sky. Now he looks like jelly pie. Kitty says, oh, what a mix. Colors doing crazy tricks. Baby shark becomes rainbow bright, glowing in the dark at night. Suddenly the machine goes boom. Colors go no mound. Kitty presses stop so fast. Yeah, bubble magic slows at last. Water splash, clean and bright. Baby shark turns normal light. Pop, 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 pop. Fight is done. Pop, 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 fun is done. Screambow chaos everyone. Kitty laughs, baby shark too. Rainbow fun for me. Best party ever. There's Farmer Kitty on the farm today. But something strange in a funny way. Dark Kitty on the farm T-Bay. Something strange in a funny way. Not the cows, not the sheep. Kitty is eating everything she sees.
Oh, no, no, no. What is this?
Farmer Kitty gone wild like this. Cow says moo is my head. Kitty comes yummy. Okay. Biff crunch, crunch, crunch. Hey is gone. Cow looks shocked.
Mood is wrong.
Kitty smiles.
Still hungry more.
She eats the bucket, eats the floor. Crunch, 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 crunch.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats fast. Oh no, no, no. Kid says, Link, my food is here. Kitty shouts,
Oh, yes. Cheer.
eat burgers, apples, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight.
My food is gone.